Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I'm doing a Fashion Nova haul. I got a couple things, so I'm just gonna try them on and show you how it looks. I love Fashion Nova so much. It's cheap, and I'm broke, and I wanna look good. So yeah, I can't wait to show you what I have. Stay tuned. Okay, I wanna start off by saying I'm gonna be wearing a waist trainer. So it's SKIMS from the Kim K brand. Okay, most of the things that I like to wear are tight clothes, tight dresses. So I feel like it's essential for me to have a waist trainer. I don't know about you, but I like it. I like it and I recommend it so much. Like, it really shapes you out. Okay, this is the first one. It's my favorite one because it's like casual, but it's super cute. I love this. I love this so much. I have like, you know, kind of fat arms, so I like when things hide my arms right here. So it hides my arm jiggle very well, and I love like showing my collarbone. Like, it's so nice. This is the dress full length. It's like an oatmeal-y color. It looks really white right now, but it's not white. It's like oatmeal, but I have so much light coming on me right now that it looks white. Like, even without the waist trainer, it still gives me like a look. I like this so much. I love casual, cute dresses, and it feels so soft. It's so soft. It's so soft. It's really nice. I just posted this dress on my Instagram. Let me see if I could figure out how to put my Instagram handle here. Okay, the next one is this long green maxi dress. I love this color. It makes me look more shiny. I feel shiny. It's so soft. I love, 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 love the way this looks so much. It's pretty long. It goes up to, what is this called? Calf? My mid calf. And it's super fitted, super nice. Like, I love the way it looks for the casual summertime day to go out and about. Oh my God. I have such a problem of never hiding these. Why? I don't even need this. I never need this at all. Go away. Yeah, I love this dress so much. Like, it's so nice. Oh my God, I'm matching with the tree. Matching with the tree. So if you like this dress, for size reference, I'm 5'6". Oh my God, how many inches is 5'6"? 60 inches is 5 feet. Right? 66 inches? 66 inches, I think. I don't know how much it is in centimeters. I'm sorry to all the non-US people. I don't know my measurements at all. But I'm 5'6", just converted on Google. So I love this dress so much that I bought it in black. The black is definitely a lot nicer. You know, black complements everyone's skin tone. So I like this better also because it hides my waist trainer. In the green one, you can see like the ribbing of the waist trainer, but you can't with this one. I'm obsessed with these dresses. Like, they're very simple, but they make you look like fire. They make you look like fire. I wish I had somewhere to go. Okay. Next one. Which one should I wear next? Okay, this is the next dress. I put my hair in front because I'm too lazy to put on accessories. So this is my accessory right here. So if you can't tell, I really like these style like this. because it's just so easy and girly and flirty. This is definitely more like a going out somewhere nice kind of dress. I can't wear it to the supermarket. Yeah, this dress was like all over Instagram like a year ago. I'm late on the trend, but I like it. I like it. It's a dress that I know for sure I'll wear at least once every year. That's more than how much I wear some other clothes. That's super nice. You can make it tighter or wider. Okay, this one is a little out of my comfort zone because it's purple. I'm not really used to wearing bright, colorful colors. I'm trying to do something new. I mean, it's still my style. Tight dust. So I like that. It has these gold chains. They're a little loose, so I'm gonna have to cut one off and try to sew it back so that it's tight, but it's not bad. This is actually see-through right here, so I had to take off the waist trainer, but it's like ribbed, so it gives you that waist trained effect anyway. This one, again, it's really soft. All these dresses are very soft and very good quality. I think people might think that Fashion Nova is not good quality, but they really are. Like, they make sure they only sell like nice feeling stuff, especially nowadays. Oof, their stuff is so good. Ooh, I like this. I like this a lot. Oh, I'm really feeling myself in this dress. I wish I had somewhere to go for real with this dress. Okay, this is the last one. I had this same exact dress from Misguided, which is another website, but it was like double the price of what Fashion Nova has. I don't have that dress anymore, so I'm buying it again from Fashion Nova. It's so nice. It gives me this like Victoria's Secret vibe. It is very low cut, but I'm just holding it. I don't like to show how low cut it is. But it's so nice, like shiny vibes, shiny vibes. Wow, I was really into shiny vibes for this. So nice. I feel like such a princess wearing this. Oh. I have a tiara right here. So I have my tiara because I was gonna film like a prom look for TikTok. Yo, I'm still trying to figure out TikTok. I do not understand it. I do not understand it, but I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, I like this dress so much. Don't sleep on Fashion Nova, guys. Do not sleep on Fashion Nova. I bought 6 dresses and I have nowhere to go, but when I do have somewhere to go, I'm going to be ready. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Please subscribe. Did I say subscribe? Please subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.